Exercise 7C, third problem, Kansas Mathematics 9th class. 225 is equal to what? 225 is equal to 15 into 15. 3 into 5, 3 into 5. That means 3 squared into 5 square. 3 square into 5 square. 3 is the power of x minus 1 into 5 is the power of 2y minus 3 is equal to 3 square into 5 square. Base is same, therefore powers are equal. Base is same, powers are equal. So x is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. So 2y is equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5. Y is equal to 5 upon 2, that is 2 and half. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 and half. Fourth problem, let us follow the quotient law first. A is the power of minus 1 minus 2. A is the power of minus 3. B is the power of 2 minus of minus 4 is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So B is the power of 6 whole is the power of 7 divided by A is the power of 3 minus of minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. B is the power of minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 whole is the power of minus 5 is equal to A is the power of x into B is the power of y. A is the power of minus 3 into 7 minus 21. B is the power of 42 divided by A is the power of minus 25. B is the power of plus 40 is equal to A is the power of x into B is the power of y. Minus 21 minus of minus 25, that is minus 21 plus 25 is equal to A is the power of 4. B is the power of 42 minus 40 is equal to A is the power of x into B is the power of y. Base is same, therefore powers are equal. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. We have to find the value of x plus y. X plus y is equal to 4 plus 2, that is 6. Fifth problem, 9 is equal to what? 3 square whole is the power of x minus 3. 3 is the power of x plus 1. So 3 is the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 is the power of 2x minus 6. Base is same, therefore powers are equal. X plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. 2x is transposed to the left, it becomes minus 2x. Minus 2x plus x is equal to minus x is equal to minus 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 7. Therefore x is equal to 7. We have to find the value of 2 raised to the power of 1 plus x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 7 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 8. 2 raised to the power of 8, 2 multiplied 8 times. 2 multiplied 4 times is equal to 16. So 16 into 16 is equal to 256. 2 is the power of x is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 2 square. So 4 is the power of y is equal to 2 is the power of 2y is equal to 8 is equal to 2 cube. So 8 raised to the power of z is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3z. Base is same. Therefore x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z. X is equal to 2y. Therefore y is equal to x upon 2 and z is equal to x upon 3. If you take these two, x is equal to 3z, therefore z is equal to 3 goes to the denominator when it is transposed. So x upon 3. Y is equal to x upon 2. So 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to what? 4 into x upon 2. Y is equal to x upon 2. Therefore 4y is equal to 4 into x upon 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So this becomes what? 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 8 into z. 8z is equal to 8 into z is equal to what? X upon 3. So 8z is equal to 8x upon 3. 8x upon 3, let 3 go to the numerator. This is equal to 4. Now here the LCM is equal to 8x. 8x divided by 2x is equal to 4. 8x divided by 2x is equal to 4. 8x divided by 8x is equal to 1. So this is equal to what? 11. 11 upon 8x is equal to 4. When 8x is transposed to the other side, it becomes 11 is equal to 32x. Therefore, x is equal to 11 divided by 32. Seventh problem, we have to show that m minus n is equal to 1. 27 raised to the power of n is equal to what? 27 is equal to 3 cube. So this is 3 raised to the power of 3n. 9 raised to the power of n is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2n into 3 raised to the power of 2, 3 raised to the power of n, 3 raised to the power of 3n upon, this is 3 raised to the power of 3m into 2 raised to the power of 3. This is 3 raised to the power of 3n. 3 raised to the power of 3n is common. So what remains inside? 3 square minus 1 here. 3 raised to the power of 2n into 3 raised to the power of n is equal to 3 raised to the power of 3n. You have to add the powers. So what remains? 3 square minus 1. Here 3 raised to the power of 3m into 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power of minus 3. This is 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. This is also 8. So they get cut off. So 3 raised to the power of, here base is same. So quotient law. 3 raised to the power of 3n minus 3m is equal to 3 raised to the power of minus 3. Base is same, therefore powers are equal. 3n minus 3m is equal to minus 3. Or plus 3m minus 3n is equal to plus 3. When we divide both the sides by 3, we get m minus n is equal to 1. Eighth problem, 13 raised to the power of square root of x. 13 raised to the power of square root of x means what? X raised to the power of half is equal to 4 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 4 multiplied 4 times, that is 256, minus 3 multiplied 4 times, that is 81, minus 6. So 256 minus 81 minus 6. (169). 169 is equal to what? 13 square. 13 raised to the power of square root of x is equal to 13 raised to the power of 2. So base is same. So powers are equal. X raised to the power of half is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to what? 2 square. That is 4. So x is equal to 4. Square root of x is equal to 2. Square root of 4 is equal to 2.